In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Lorem Ipsum text using plugins and widgets. Before we begin, a quick note on what we're creating. Lorem Ipsum is simply placeholder text. It helps you visualize layouts, spacing, and typography without worrying about final wording. We'll keep this fast, clear, and focused so you can use it right away in your project. First, look for the action icon in your workspace. Depending on your tool, this icon may resemble a bolt, a puzzle piece, or a small grid. Basically, it's the place where extra features live. Go ahead and click that action icon to open the panel. If you don't see it immediately, move your cursor toward the top or side toolbar. It's often tucked near other utility controls. Inside that panel, locate the section for plugins and widgets. This is where add-ons are organized. Click through to open it. You should now see a list or a search bar that lets you find specific functionality. In the search bar, type Lorem Ipsum. You're looking for a generator that provides placeholder paragraphs or sentences. The search results should filter down as you type. When you see the Lorem Ipsum option you want, click on it to open its details or launch it from there. Most tools will open a small dialog or side panel showing the plugin's controls. Now make sure your insertion point is exactly where you want the text to appear. Click on your text area or the specific text layer in your document so the tool knows where to put the generated content. If you have a cursor, place it precisely. If you're working with the selected element, ensure it's highlighted. This avoids placing the text in the wrong spot. With your target selected, click on Generate to produce the Lorem Ipsum. The tool will create placeholder text and insert it right into your selection. You should see paragraphs appear instantly. If nothing shows up, double check that your text field or layer is active. Then try Generate again. A few quick tips as you review the result. If the text overflows, adjust your text box size or reduce the font size. No need to change any settings in the generator for this basic workflow. If the generate button is grayed out, make sure you've clicked on your text first. And remember, Lorem Ipsum is temporary content. It's great for design and structure, but you'll want to replace it before publishing. That's all there is to it. Click the action icon, go to plugins and widgets, search for Lorem Ipsum, open it, click on your text, and hit generate. You're ready to lay out your design with clean, consistent placeholder copy.